Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change table background coloring in Microsoft Word. Changing the background color can help make your data easy to read or emphasizes specific headers. You can color individual cells, specific rows, or the entire table. So, if you want to change the color of the entire table, to this you need to click the two-sided arrow on the top left corner of the table. Now look at the top ribbon. A contextual tab called Table Design will appear. Click on that. So in the table styles, you click the drop down arrow to the shading tool. And now choose your preferred color from the theme colors or the standard colors, like this one. If you want a custom color, then click on this and color more color and select the standard color or the custom colors. Which one you like it, you can just select it and click OK. Moreover, if you prefer using quick menus instead of the top ribbons, for this you need to highlight the rows or the table you want to. And here you will see that on the mini-toolbar, you will see that there is a shading. You need to click on that. This is the shading. You need to click on this menu and change the color like this one. Moreover, there is another alternative row colors. For this, you need to click anywhere in your table and then go to the table design tab and make sure check the banded row box on the far left and then choose a pre-made style from the table style gallery. Click on this arrow and here you can see that you can select any of them. So moreover, if you want to clear a background color, then you need to select the area, for example the entire table, and then head to the mini toolbar and click on this shading icon and click on no remove. And here you can see that. So I hope now you understand how you can change table background color in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.